Hello, attorney Nouvelle Gonzalo here. Offices, Gainesville, Florida at UF Innovate, and Cleveland, Ohio in downtown Cleveland. All right, business owners, can I talk with you for just a moment? I just want to say, if you are going to be involved in the sale or purchase of a business, there's going to be paperwork involved. There are going to be contracts involved, lots of documents and due diligence and paperwork. And we're all going to be okay with that because it's necessary. I bring this up because, in all seriousness, sometimes business owners are surprised when it's like, oh my gosh, these are a lot of contracts. These are a lot of documents. And I want to just let you know that with the sale of a business or purchase of a business, this is something that is an involved process. And so I want you to be prepared for the fact that there is paperwork involved with that. And I mean, you're going to have your letter of intent. You're going to have your sale purchase agreement. You're going to have a bill of sale. You're going to have due diligence that you go through. You should work with legal counsel so that you go through a checklist of items to make sure that every aspect of the sale is covered and taken care of. There are sometimes local requirements, zoning requirements, and things that have to be incorporated into the process and that have to be sent and communicated to local authorities with regard to the sale. And that doesn't matter if you are a restaurant, if you are a medical practice, if you're a construction company, regardless of what you're doing, there's going to be paperwork involved. And so you really want to make sure that you're working with your corporate counsel. You want to make sure you're going through each item on that checklist to make sure it's done. And you might say, no, it's fine. Can I just hand them over the keys and just be done with everything? I'm finished, I'm selling. And it's not quite it. You have to make sure you go through those steps, because what you don't want is to get a letter later on from the state, from the county, saying, hey, we never received any notice of this. We never knew that you were going to be making this sale, so you owe us some money, or we're going to sue you, or we're putting a tax lien on it. And then if something like that happens and your buyer finds out and ends up getting involved, they're going to come looking for you even though you sold the business. So you want to make sure that all those loose ends are tied up and that you're good to go. All right, everybody, that's it. I just wanted to share a little bit with regard to the sale purchase process and the fact that there is paperwork involved. Don't be scared of it. Just know it's temporary. Read it, work with your legal counsel. And that goes the same, not only if you're a seller, but also if you're a buyer. If you're on the buy side of the deal, it's important to make sure that you're aware as well. So that's it. Have an amazing day. You will go forth and do great things. All right, take care. Bye now.